Let me tell you something. I've been there. A lot of you are dealing with clogged ears. You're feeling helpless because nothing you're trying is working. And on top of all of that, you're starting to now feel the anxiety that comes with it, the depression, because it's lasting so long. Sometimes what this all could be derived from is the fact that when you stress, a lot of that stress tightens the muscles around the face region. And you don't realize that, but sometimes when those muscles get overly tight and tense, that type of reaction radiates to different parts of the body, particularly the ears. Goes down into the neck, goes into the shoulders, down into the back. And before you know it, your entire body is erupting right in front of you. There are some easy massages that you can do, but none of them really do the job. But in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick and easy massage that you can do that you'll start to notice the changes right away and you don't have to pay for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our thumb and we're going to locate the center of our cheek muscle right here. And what we're going to do is, this is called the masseter region here, the masseter muscle. The masseter muscle, for a lot of you may not be aware, is the strongest muscle in the body. So that muscle starts to get tense and fatigue. You can imagine what kind of erratic behavior the rest of your body is going to go through. So take your thumb, find the part where it kind of indents in, and you want to raise up that cheek right here. There's a bone right underneath here. You want to press in on this here. Okay, so push in, push up. But when we do that, we're going to open our jaw. So I want you to also follow the example here. We're going to push up on the cheek as we open our mouth. Okay, and you're going to do this about 30 seconds or so. See, you put a little firm pressure on that masseter region, you'll start to notice that other areas of the body start to benefit. The neck starts to open up a little bit around the suboccipital region. Then you see the ears. They're going to take a little bit more time because it's been a little bit while. And sometimes it's just a very intricate process that just takes a little bit undoing of all the doing that we've been putting on as far as the stress in our body. So remember, take your thumb, do it this side here. Press in, go up. Make sure you open the mouth a little bit, because the reason why we're opening in the mouth is because we reposition the area of that muscle. And we also, when we are stressing, we tend to tighten our mouth down. We tend to bite down and squeeze our teeth together, which causes further tension to play as far as the muscles tightening. The neck starts to get tight and it radiates pain sensations through nerves, through tissue, through ligaments. You start to feel how the inflammation's increasing. So when you're simply taking that thumb, putting it inside here where it kind of indents in, open the mouth a little bit and just kind of press up. And you can kind of move around a little bit too if you need to reposition. And you need to do this about 30 seconds at a time on both sides. So a total of 1 minute. And you should be doing this at least 3 times a day. Maybe in the morning when you first wake up, around lunchtime, after your meal, because again, we're using this jaw quite a bit when we eat, when we talk, when we clench, when we're at work. We don't realize it. We're biting down. We're putting all this extra strain going around our face region. Do this about 3 times for about 30 seconds each time. And you'll start to notice that the neck will feel loose, and you're going to ask yourself, how is that possible? How's the ears opening up? I'm not doing anything. I'm not putting any drops in my ear. How's it opening? Because a lot of times when you have issues with clogged ears, it's not always something obstructing. It's usually a muscle that is out of place, or it needs to be in a movement, so that way that inflammation can start relieving itself. It can start dissipating. Just keep in mind, adding that extra massage factor by pressing upward is going to help add more blood flow. Blood flow is going to help increase the healing process. Over time, you'll start to notice that you'll feel a lot better. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If it was, please take time to subscribe to the channel. I try to bring content as often as possible. But in the meantime, I'm going to step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. Like anything else, folks, we're here to simply go back to the basics. Take care, everybody, and I will catch you in the next video.